to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining us today, I'm Miss Didi, and you all are welcome to Didi's World. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you all the easiest way to earn real money on Telegram. The fastest, the best way, the simple, more comfortable way to earn money on Telegram. There are 5 ways in which I earn money on Telegram. Talking of myself. The first one is being an adder. Very simple. This one is the easiest way of earning money on Telegram. Very, very easy. Very, very simple. You can even do it at home, at your working place. You are going to be paid by people to add members for them to your own personal group. Very simple. And you can even earn more than $100 in a week. That's a lot of money. And you can charge them. You charge them according to many members they want you to add for them. Like if you want to add 1,000 members, it's different from the money you charge if you want to add 5,000 members. You can watch my previous video if you don't know how to add members on your Telegram group. You can just check it there. So the next way in which I earn money on Telegram is teaching. If you are a tutor or you have a skill that you want to teach, like all this graphics, programming, Telegram is the best way for you to do that. Very, very well, because it helps you reach more students. In order to make it more confusing for you, less confusing for you, create 2 groups. One for people that have not paid, like people that want to just join your group, and the other one will be for paid students. Those that join your group, they pay, then you add them to the paid class. Did you understand? In that way, God, you earn real money very fast, very, very, so that it will be able for you to you'll be differentiating people that have paid, so that it will not confuse you. That's how. Now the next way for you to earn money on Telegram is selling of Telegram groups. That's it. This is another way of earning money on Telegram. Like another way I earn cash on Telegram. Like you will add members to a group. From something like 1,000 members, you add them to a group. Like 3,000 members, you add them to a group, and you will sell that particular group to people that maybe want to invest, or you can buy from someone and resell it to another person. You understand? And maybe the money you charge when it's 1,000 members is different that you are going to charge when it's 50,000 members. Hope you understand. Another method of earning money on Telegram is advertising your products. If you're selling something, if you're a businessman or woman, this is the best one for you. In this method, you advertise your products to people in your group, like your own personal group. Am I speaking tautology? Then you'll be reaching a lot of people who are interested in you. But the point time you're having 7,000 members in your group, and you just send something like a project or your business, you're reaching up to 70,000 members in the group. Hope you understand. I'll measure it out of those 70,000, like 10,000 will be interested. And you can advertise your goods, not just like anything on Telegram, your group. Because once you start advertising on another person's group, because once you start advertising on another person's group, it's not bad. The next method is being a marketer or an advertiser. If you have a group and you want another person to advertise in your group, this method is very simple, very, very quick. This is just what you're going to do. If someone wants to advertise in your group, you charge them to advertise your product or something for them in your own group. Oh, that's it. They will pay you to advertise for them in your own group. You understand what I'm saying? Or they can also make some presentation, like those that are into investments or something that they need to discuss about. That's it. They can also use your group, and you can charge them weekly, daily, or more monthly, like depending on how you feel that it's easy and simple for you to make money. So these are the perfect and easiest way in which I earn my money on Telegram. I earn my money on, and I know you can also earn your money that way. So in case or if any chance you need a group or an adder, or you want to learn more about Telegram, like you want to know more like creating of bots, everything, private chat me on the link on my description below. Check the description below and you will see it there. Thank you all. Thank you for listening to my videos. Thank you for your support so far. Thank you for liking and commenting, and don't forget to like and comment and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you don't mind. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Okay, bye and do have a nice day. Thank